What up, guys? So it's been a minute since I updated anything on this channel. I've been pretty busy with the new project. We got new and the garage, getting that finished up. Got our concrete in, got our lift in, so now we're real professional. So the new project is a 54 GMC COE, cab over, as you can tell, except the cab is not over the engine anymore. The engine is mid-engine. I'll put in a bunch of pictures because I've taken plenty of pictures over the last 7 to 8 months since I've been working on this beast. It'll show you the process up to this point. Now the hood, I've replaced a lot of metal on this. It was sort of rusted out along the whole bottom. The inside of the door areas right here on the inside were gone. And being a COE, some parts, some replacement metal switches over, but not all of it from, you know, what you can buy from the parts houses and stuff like that. So that's what made me paint it this. So I did not paint the hood. The hood is still the original patina and the top of the cowl. Everything else I've painted to match the hood because I really like the orange. Orange is different, it's fun. So what we'll do is I'll show you what I've used on this, and all it is just Krylon rattle can. So this, and then come back with this, and then go back with this with a chip brush. So this morning I did the hood, meaning not this hood, but the hood for the mid-engine that attaches to the bed. And I'm gonna actually do a quick video on how I did all this, because really it's about having fun. And on my last build, the 3100 truck, which is the YouTube is primarily about that. That's what started this all up, which started my garage. And doing that sorts of custom fab work because I really enjoy this. My day job is paint and body. I work in a shop and we do, I don't want to say cookie cutter stuff, but definitely stuff that's not like this. So that's what prompted me. Plus I love old trucks. It's amazing. These things are awesome. So I did the bed there, or the hood, and I'll show you the process on that one. So I'll do a little walk around the truck, kind of give you an idea of what's going on up to this point. Like I said, I'm going to stick in a bunch of pictures, the process as it goes. You know, if there's any kind of questions about something specific, just let me know. I'll see if I can answer it, or at least show you pictures, or do a quick little Q&A video. If that's what you guys want, I'll do it, you know. So let me walk you around to what I've done. Well, just briefly introduction to the truck, and then we'll go from there. So, as I said, 1954 GMC COE. It is on a 2004 Silverado frame. Firewall has been smoothed and painted up. I still have to put in access ports for the AC because it will have AC. This is a brake master and booster from a 2004 S10. It fits perfect under the hood without any, it's got about 1.5 inches of clearance on the hood because it's so short in the front. Firewall and inside of the cab, it's all like gloss clear. And I did the whole patina process, well, fake patina that I'm doing with the brush and everything, on all those areas. So I didn't sand it down so it's completely smooth. I left all the brush strokes in it, and then I just cleared it. I'll give you a shot of the original hood. So as you can see, it was yellow. It started off light yellow, and then, sorry, it's got a sheen on it because it's already been satin cleared, but you can see the brush strokes. So that's what I decided to do. I kept it. I love the logo in the front. It's Brickencrete Produce. I think that's what it says. I'm not sure, but I like it. I've had to replace this entire headlight bucket. It was so gone. Replace that. There we go. The whole bottoms here have been replaced, all that stuff. So now we'll open up the cab. We got the whole cab all matte 66. It's just a sound deadening. Using the original steering column and wheel. Dash is also painted and cleared, same style as the outside. So that's why it's got, that's why it looks orange peely. Back cap is all done the same way. And the door jambs, I just painted orange. And this all had to be replaced. All that had to be replaced, the whole bottom half, and lots of stuff. Here's the doors, and that's all rattle can with the Krylon orange. I did not do the patina on this stuff. I kind of like it. This is an access panel to get to the vent window. Bolt down there. It was so rusted solid that it was crazy. So I actually had to cut a hole in it. So I'll probably be putting just like a little cover over here. Actually all the way up and around and then down. This part was all gone, so I made that. This is now permanent. There's no access underneath here. That's what that hole's for. Gas filler door. The gas tank is now in the rear, back there. But this is just for show. I love how it looks. And it doesn't do anything. It's actually all sealed off on the inside. Right there. We're going with another 4.3 V6 mid-engine. So I made the cross member, 700 R4 transmission, completely rebuilt. We have our trans cooler back here. Radiator is still going to be up front. These are the side access panels. I'll show you in a minute that go on the bed. Tailgate. Actually, let me go around the other way. Tailgate. And it's all painted with the patina look. Like I said, there's the hood. This I just did this morning. This. And I'll do a video on how I recorded this, so I can show you a video on how to do that. Once I get that all edited and all set, I'll post that up. Custom bed. Well, custom-ish. This originally was a 9-foot bed. As you can tell, I had another bed sitting out back, so I added 3 feet onto it. So this is where the engine will sit, right there. These are the filler panels that go from the front fenders, well, not quite the front fenders, but from the cab to the back rear fenders. I had to extend the rear fenders down 7 inches in the front, so that'll all reach. I had to make running boards for it. Right there. And then this is where the access panels go, so you can take that off and still gain access to the engine. And these are all 1/4 by 20 rib nuts that I put in, so it just screws right in. Yep. So this whole thing has been done with Krylon paints. And I have another King Ranch seat that goes inside it. Right there. Has to be cleaned up, put in. I made a new frame for it. Cadillac bumper. Right there. It's going on the front. Regular 54 bumper on the rear. Right there. We're keeping the original rims because it's sort of a budget build, but I'm going to paint those gunmetal. Yeah. We have a visor for it. Our electrical stuff came in, so I've been taking apart original parts that came on the truck. This whole works. This is the turn signal thing. See if I can make all this old stuff work. That'd be great. So yep, and then the shop. That's us. there it is. So that's the project in a nutshell. From this point forward, I'm going to try to keep up with everything. We got the electrical harness in. It's a Speedway harness, 22 circuit harness. I use that on the 3100. I'm not the best at electrical. It takes me a minute, but I'm fudging my way through it. You know, trying to be a little bit more tidy than the 3100 build. Because some of those things that I had to add through there was like an afterthought. So, you know, you run a wire, you still got to cover it, so it takes a lot longer to make it look neat. So this one, I'm trying to methodically, I'll need a wire for this, I'll need a wire for that, run it all through at once. So anyway, so that's the build, and you know, go out there and build something fun, and just do it. You know, that's what this is all about. You know, don't worry about what other people say, or hey, that looks ugly, or whatever. If you build it to the best of your ability and the way you like it, doesn't matter. I mean, it's smiles for miles, not really. Everyone else shouldn't have to be, how do I want to say this? It doesn't matter what other people say. It's what you say, and it's how you build it. So keep out there, build it good, hit like if you like it, share, like I said, if eventually if there's any kind of Q&A video that needs to be done, like how certain things are done on this build, I'm more than happy to share. I'm an open book. I will explain to the best of my ability on how I did it and why I did it. All right, so that's about it for this one, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.